Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to onboard new team members. This is a powerful way to streamline the onboarding process and ensure every new hire has a clear roadmap from day one. First, you'll want to go to Asana and log into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar where you'll see a plus button. Click on it, then select New Project from the options that appear. This is where you'll begin building the foundation for your onboarding workflow. Next, from the project creation options, click on Templates. This is where Asana really shines, as it offers pre-built templates that save you from creating everything from scratch. In the template library, use the search bar to look for new hire checklist or employee onboarding. These templates are specifically designed to guide new employees through their first days and weeks. Once you've found the template that fits your needs, click Use Template next to it. This will automatically generate a project filled with tasks and milestones that cover all the essential onboarding steps. Now it's time to personalize it. Name the project with your new hire's name, something like Employee Name Onboarding. This keeps everything organized, especially if you're onboarding multiple people at once. While you're here, set the project's start and end dates to align with your onboarding timeline. After you've configured those details, click Create Project to finalize the setup. Your onboarding project is now live and ready to be customized further. The next step is to assign tasks to the new team member. Click on the Assignee field for each task within the project and select their name from the list. This ensures they know exactly what's expected of them and can track their own progress. Finally, if you haven't already, add due dates to the tasks to establish a clear timeline. This helps both you and the new hire stay on track and ensures nothing falls through the cracks during those critical first weeks. You can adjust these dates based on the complexity of each task or your company's specific onboarding schedule. And there you have it, a fully functional onboarding project in Asana that keeps everyone aligned and accountable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.